Hello, little learners. Welcome back to our fun and exciting writing adventure. Today, we are going to learn how to trace lowercase letters from A to Z. Are you ready? Grab your pencil or crayon, and let's begin. Let's start with the vowels, A, E, I, O, and U. These letters are very important because every word needs at least one vowel. A starts with a small curve and closes with a short tail. E is like a tiny loop. Start in the middle and go around. I is just a simple line with a dot on top. O is a small round shape, just like a circle. U looks like a little cup. Start at the top, go down, curve up, and make a short line. Tracing tall letters, some lowercase letters are tall, like B, D, F, H, K, L, and T. These letters reach up high, so we start from the top and bring them down. B, start with a straight line down, then make a small round loop to the right. D, begin with a small curve, then add a straight line up. F, start at the top, make a small curve to the left, then draw a straight line down past the bottom. Add a small cross line in the middle. H, draw a straight line down, then make a small curve to the right. K, start with a tall straight line, then add two diagonal lines from the middle. L, simply draw a tall straight line. T, start with a short straight line down, then cross it with a small line at the top. Tracing short letters, some letters are small and stay in the middle like C, M, N, R, S, V, W, X, and Z. Let's trace them together. C, begin at the top and curve around like a half circle. M, draw a straight line down, then make two small arches. N, start with a straight line down, then make a curve up and down. R, draw a small straight line, then make a tiny curve to the right. S, begin at the top, curve to the left, then back to the right in an S shape. V, start at the top left, make a slanted line down, then slant back up to the right. W, start at the top left, make a slanted line down, slant up, then slant down again before curving up. X, make one diagonal line, then cross it with another diagonal line. Z, start at the top, make a straight line across, then slant down to the left, and finish with another straight line across. Special curvy and looping letters, look at these tricky letters. G, J, P, Q, and Y have tails that go below the line. Let's start. G, start like an O, then add a short tail curving down. J, draw a straight line down, then curve it to the left. Add a dot on top. P, begin with a straight line down, then add a small round loop at the top. Q, start like an O, then make a small tail curving down to the right. Y, start with a short diagonal line, then make a longer diagonal line down. Now it's your turn. Get your paper and write each letter from A to Z. Remember to take your time and have fun. Thanks for watching. If you're enjoying the content, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. Don't forget to follow and turn on the notification bell so you're always updated when I post something new. Your support means everything. Let's grow this community together.